Hey guys, it's your girl Candy coming to you with another video, and today's video is a crochet braid tutorial, and I'm starting off by braiding her hair. And if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you would already know the braiding pattern of choice that I use for most of my styles, but if not, I'm going to be sure to leave it down below so that you can check that detailed video out to show you how I braid the hair. And pretty much for the most part, you're just braiding the hair all the way back, but you're going to be ensuring that you overlap some of the braids in the front. For the first couple of rows in the middle is going to be overlapped, just to give it some versatility and to create that invisible part technique that I use. So having braided all the hair back and interlocked each hanging braid into the other, I am left with just one piece of braiding here that I'm just, completely braiding all the way to the end. And then I'm going to be sure to go ahead and to tuck the ends of that braid away so that the hair is, more seamless and less bulky. And there you have it. And in my opinion, once the braiding is out of the way, the hardest part of the process is already done. And here I'm showing you guys the crisscross braiding technique that I apply in order to give the hair versatility. Alright, so this is the hair that the client purchased. It is in the color 1B30. It's an ombre hair and it was ordered from Amazon. I do not have the link to it, but I'm pretty sure if you search for WaterWave ombre hair on Amazon, this will pop up. I love the actual texture of the hair. It was nice, soft, but not overly shiny. Alright, so I am showing you guys how I install the first one. I just insert the tool, attach the hair, pull it through, then both pieces of the hair is pulled through the loop. Twist it once, pull through, twist it again, pull through, and then slide it to tighten. And every hair is different, you guys. Sometimes I find that I can knot the hair once and it remains firmly in place. Another time you have to knot it twice. Other hair you have to knot it sometimes 4 or 5 times. It all depends on the texture of the hair that you're working with. Once again, I just pull on the hair a little bit just to loosen it up a bit and to give it a more realistic texture. Attaching it to the tool, pulling the hair through and through again, sliding it to tighten, and voila, that's it. Alright, so now that we're at the top, I'm just showing you guys how you have to strategically place pieces of hair in order to cover up any gaps that might be showing. Right here you see a gap, and it's somewhat like mathematics or geometry where you have to do a lot of estimation and calculation in order to have the hair coming out looking nice and full. So I place the hair in that position and just allow it to fall immediately over that gap, and it is gone like magic. Yes. Alright, so now I'm done with most of the hair. I'm just left with the invisible part section that I'm gonna try to explain as best as I possibly can. It can be a little bit technical to explain, but so I insert the tool, attach the hair to the hook, close the latch hook, pull it through. However, unlike in previous cases where I would pull both sides of the hair through, I'm only pulling one piece of the hair through the loop. And of course, you have to tighten it as you would the others. Knot it twice, pull it through again, and then pull the two sides of the hair taut to tighten it. And you can see it's hard to tell from the angle, but you will eventually see that it totally covers the cornrow and gives the illusion as if the hair is growing out of the client's scalp. Once again, inserting the tool, attaching the hair, closing the latch hook, pulling it through, pulling only one piece of the hair through the loop, making your knot, pulling it through, another knot, pulling it through again, then hold both ends of the hair and pull it taut to tighten. And here's a trick, you guys, to ensure that your hair does not slide out, especially at that portion of the front of the hair where it is invisible. I pinch a tiny piece of hair from either side and just make a knot or a couple of knots, just to ensure that even if you actually manipulate the hair, it is not going to loosen and potentially slide out. Yes. And just once more for good measure, pulling one side through, making the knot, another knot, pulling both sides, and there you can already see that it is looking like her own hair coming out of her own scalp. Yay! You pinch off a tiny piece from this side and a tiny piece from the other side. Tie them together and you have no need to worry. No need to fret. And just like that, you guys, one piece remaining. And I want to point out one thing, that the latch hook is inserted underneath the cornrow. You attach the hair and pull one side through. Make your knots. And yeah, good to go. There you have it, guys. The magic of the invisible part technique. Yes. Can you all see that? Can you guys see the realness that's going on right now? Can you? Let me know. Let me know. So this is how the hair looks. Beautiful color, you guys. I'm in love with the ombre look with the mixed 1B30 combination, and then the 30 at the ends. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is a very low maintenance hair, you guys. You pretty much just ensure that you cover it at night and shake, and you're ready to go. Yes. And of course, you guys know you have to get the 360. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking and staying with Candy's Natural Hair Dynamics. And until next time, remember to like, rate, subscribe, comment. And if you have somebody that you love, tell them about Natural Hair Dynamics, because we're doing big things over here. Big things to come. All right? Yeah. The WaterWave here, you guys. Crochet Braids. Candy signing out.